Expansion. Instantly add 4 USB 3.0 ports to any compatible device. Transform a single USB port into a full workstation. The extended 2 feet cable allows for the perfect setup and easy access to out-of-the-way ports. Convenience. LED indicators display power status for each port. Individual on/off switches enable you to easily connect and disconnect your devices with the push of a button. Speed. Supports transfer speeds of up to 5 gigabits per second, USB 3.0, 480 megabits per second, USB 2.0, 12 megabits per second, USB 1.1. Compatibility. Reverse compatible with USB 2.0 and USB 1.1 devices. Forward compatible with USB 3.1, 3.2 devices ports at 3.0 speeds. Use with PC, MacBook, iMac, Mac Mini, XPS, flash drives, Xbox, any other USB-compatible devices. Easy setup. No driver installation required, plug-play and hot swappable. Does not support charging. Warranty. 1 year limited, 2 years with registration. Top reviews from the United States. A pretty safe bet. This thing lasted me just over 3 years, with all 10 ports running for most days with a Surface Pro 4 and a ton of signal to relay, including consistently multiple 1440p monitors with USB adapters. I happened to get it to its limit where it begins to short out, and obviously doesn't work while shorting out, which got frustrating nearing its end of life because I of course kept messing with it to get it to stop. But considering how long it took to get to a point where it wasn't literally perfect, I cannot complain. It's important to note, though, continued use once it starts periodically doing that, blue lights flicker, can potentially kill its power cable, or worse, a part of your electrical system if you're not hooked up to a surge protector. I'd just say that if you end up using it for as long as I did, get a new one when it is that the very first time. You'll have gotten your money's worth already anyway.